welcome to the TTV, sorry about that, but welcome to the IC Llama channel. I'm going to make a tutorial for this video. I will play Fortnite and all that good stuff later in the future. But today I'm going to show you guys how to get Minecraft. Oh my goodness, what the heck is that? I have no idea. I think it's a bird trying to get in. I don't know, but that's weird. So, first thing you're going to need to do is go on the home of Google, search up T-Launcher, go to this link. Here, let me log out of this account. You're going to want to click sign up, and then let me just show you how the sign up page looks. Now you're just going to want to do some kind of Gmail. Do a password. Do something really complex, I guess. And do this verification thing. And then click sign up. I already made an account, then it will bring you to this other thing, but I'm going to click login. I'm going to call login. Okay, the password does not match. Okay, sure, let's save that. So then you'll be in your account, IC Llama. And then you can go to the catalog and create a skin, or at least use a skin. Okay, that one I kind of like. I heart Minecraft. Okay. And here, I don't know which skin I want. I think I might have already found it, but I want to see if there's any better ones. Well, that one looks pretty cool. For a girl, like that's a unicorn onesie. I already found it. Why is the unicorn onesie here again? Kind of like this one and this one. But I think I already have one I like. Oh wow, this one I really like. When you try to reenact Slenderman, but your skin color is too low for white. Not trying to be racist here, but you know. Can't be that white. You can't just be like straight up white. I really want to be this skin, but you know. I have a better skin than I want. What is this? She's all rainbow. Literally. There's so many skins. Can we create ours? Our own? I think I like this one, so we're gonna click change on this one. Click OK on the successful thing. Then it'll show it. You can download a skin if you want. The way you do that is you go to Minecraft. Oh no, search up the Skindex. And it'll show you a bunch of skins. A link to a bunch of skins. So you find your user area. Then you're going to want to click T-Launcher, the launcher for Minecraft, or if you're on a phone, then you click T-Launcher PE, the launcher for smartphones. Click Download T-Launcher. Choose your platform. This is Apple. As you can tell, this is Lunix, and this is Windows. I already downloaded it, so I'm not going to click the download. If you're on any of these, then yeah, sure. Once you get those, should have a jar file. If you are on Mac, you left click on it, and then you click open And then you click open. Oh, where's the open with? Open. Oh, open with. Click T-Launcher default. But all I have to do is double click that. Once you click that open with that T-Launcher thing, then you're free to open it like this. Okay. And then, just wait, I'm speeding over. So what you're gonna do is, you're gonna be at the top update, the full release. You don't want this update, okay? Just wait. Let me relaunch this. So, you actually want an Optifine, which T-Launcher made. So, you actually want the this Optifine, which is the third one, and then to get your account, so then it has your skin and everything. Click on accounts. Click configure accounts. Click add. Then put in your email. So I'm gonna do ttv.icllama@gmail.com. And we're just gonna do it in caps. And then the password that you did for your T-Launcher, then click save in account. Okay. I think I know what I did wrong. Okay. Oh, it says that I'm in icllama. Okay. Then you just click enter the game. As you can see, we're still in icllama. You want to make sure that you're still in icllama. Okay. Oh. Just have to wait for it to load. Mojang. There we go. We can go to the multiplayers, Minecraft Realms. Of course, the Minecraft Realms don't work since we're on a different version. Let me just delete both of these worlds. So, Minecraft Java Edition, just wait, let's kind of like do that. Because I don't think you guys could see that. Okay. So here it is, multiplayer. Minecraft Realms, they won't work. And single player, options, quick game button. We're going to click single player, click create new world. We're going to click make this Java. Wait, no, series. I don't know how to spell series. We're just gonna put. Oh wait, no. Great. No. icllama. Options. You don't have to put in a world. We're gonna make sure it's survival for us. You guys can turn it into creative if you guys want. Now we're gonna click create world. By the way, if you have a slow PC or if it crashes, you want to check if you downloaded the right one. Say you were on Windows, but then you accidentally downloaded the the Mac one. Then just check that, and then just re-download it and delete the other version. Okay, as you can see, we're in our skin. All the blocks work. Oh, just wait, I was lagging. You can collect it, hold it, do whatever you want with it. And the blocks fall. Everything is the same. Oh, my fan's running. You guys can probably hear that. Sorry about that. Here, we're going to make a different world. And I'm going to show you that everything works. So we're going to delete these. We're going to make the same name. llama. Create new world. As you guys can probably tell, I'm good at the game. Here, I got an idea. I'll make sure that it's full screen and you guys can see it. Just wait. Okay, yeah, so I couldn't do it. I didn't know how. So yeah. Okay, I just loaded up in the world. Let's just break some wood. Sorry about the lag. It's only me that lags. It doesn't mean all of you guys will lag. It's only me potentially lagging. Also, they do set you up with some Russian servers, which I actually am from Russia, which is actually kind of cool. Got my eye on you. And you. And you. Okay. As you can see, everything works. See? And got that one. Yeah, if it lags, you can try restarting it. I got 3 already. Wow. Let's go get our crafting table. Can make this a series, T-series on T-series, the YouTube channel. They got a bed. So as you guys can see, everything works in this Minecraft world. So yeah, I think I'm going to end it off here. Thank you guys so much for watching. And hopefully I helped you guys getting Minecraft so you guys can play with your friends. It's really enjoyable like this. You can do many things in just a different version of Minecraft. And yeah, see you guys next time. Just wait, how do I do this? Okay. Well, BB.